Deserves our attention.
Eyewitness weather forecast.
All right, good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Craig Flint. No problems out there this evening. That's going to be changing, though, as we go into the overnight. So pretty nice if you have outdoor plans. Warm, partly cloudy. Temperature right now perched at 84 degrees. The dew point is still in the 50s, so that is still comfortable. That number will be going up tonight as well. Showers and thunderstorms will also be developing by late this evening. I'm thinking right around 11 midnight. So if you're watching us later tonight, I could be a little busy with some severe thunderstorms. Some of these could have some gusty wind and hail. I'm not crazy about the timing because it's moving through in the middle of the night, but we'll keep an eye on it. 64 tonight. Tomorrow, breezy, especially in the afternoon, not as warm with a few more scattered downpours and storms. And again, a few storms could have some localized damaging wind gusts, heavy rain and hail, and a high of 77. Check out these morning lows. 50s, a rare cool July morning to start out. A far cry from the morning low in Phoenix, Arizona today when it was 97 for the low. Nice and comfortable here, though. Look at that, even some upper 40s in the Adirondacks. Little bit early, but we'll take it. Look at the thunderstorms blowing up to the west. You see that bright white blow up of clouds over Lake Erie, Lake Huron? That's that thunderstorm complex that will be rolling east, and I do think it arrives here by the midnight hour when we let it all hang out, Clapton. So not much going on locally. Temperatures now hanging in the 80s, but again, not too humid. It's 83 in Cooperstown, 79 in Springfield, and in the mid-70s up in the Adirondacks. So again, we have those showers and thunderstorms to the west. Watch as they work their way to the east here. So right around midnight, 1 o'clock, there's that line coming in. Now, I do think it weakens a little bit, but there still could be a few gusty storms around, so it gets a little noisy tonight. And then a few more scattered storms around through the day on Friday. Like I said, not quite as warm, and it will turn less humid by late in the day. So we'll watch those gusty storms, especially to the west, but a few could survive the trip here. But it clears out for the weekend. Fresher air, breezy at times. There might be an isolated shower Saturday morning, and then the sky clears, 76. Nice and sunny, not humid Sunday, a high of 82. Showed you this last night, and it's been a while since we've had a completely dry weekend. You got to go all the way back to the beginning of June to find that. We just might be able to change that this weekend. So more scattered storms Friday, 77. Clearing Saturday, 76. Sunny, warm, but not humid Sunday, 82. Maybe a shower or thunderstorm by evening on Monday. Very warm, 85. A few more isolated storms Tuesday. And then hot and humid with blazing sun by the time we get to Thursday. Temperatures at or over 90. We've got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News continues right after this.
Eyewitness weather forecast.
And good evening, Central New York. I'm meteorologist Craig Flint. We are seeing the weather improve, and I think that trend continues right into your weekend. So this is from earlier this evening as the sky continues to clear out here. The other thing that's going to happen tonight is the humidity is going to start to lower. Partly cloudy. Had a few showers early, but those are done. Low temperature right around 60. So again, I mentioned that we had a few of those showers crop up today. They were pretty widely scattered. Not many people had a shower, but a few of you did. And it's all part of this big spin up by Ottawa and Quebec. Area low pressure. That's exiting stage right here as you look at your TV screen. And to the west, high pressure is filling in. That high is going to set up shop over the weekend. So we go through the rest of the overnight hours under a partly cloudy sky, turning less humid. Low temperatures by morning right around 60. Through the day Saturday, I expect a partly to mostly sunny sky, a nice fresh breeze. It'll be notable out of the north and west. Temperatures by the afternoon will make it into the upper 70s to somewhere near 80. The only chance of a shower, and it's a very small chance, is far northern New York State, far eastern New York State. But you don't live there. You live here, and I think the weather's going to be great. Saturday, right into Sunday as well. As a matter of fact, Sunday will live up to its name. Sunny all day long. Warmer on Sunday, but not humid. High temperatures should make it into the low 80s, I think. So let's talk about the weekend in detail for you. Again, a breezy day, fresher air. High temperature Saturday, 78 in the 50s Saturday night. So give the AC a break. Give the bill a break, right? Just like I said, don't even look at it. Just pay it, because it's been warm and muggy lately. And then Sunday, sunny sky all day long. Warmer, but again, not humid, a high of 83. 78 Utica tomorrow, down to Herkimer and Ilion, low 70s in the Adirondacks. Cooperstown, lots going on down that way this weekend. I think the weather's going to be great. As I mentioned, that area high pressure settling in. That means sinking air. You can see the showers all around us, so we're in good shape here as we go through the weekend. Warm, lots of sunshine, but not too humid. Next 7 days shape up like this. Breezy Saturday, 78. Sunshine and 83 on Sunday. Monday, the chance of a thunderstorm late in the day, and probably a few more around Tuesday as we start to increase the humidity again. By Wednesday, Thursday, look at that. Upper 80s to near 90 degrees by the time we get into mid next week with some scattered storms by Friday. We got to take a quick break. More Eyewitness News continues right after this.
Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Hey, good evening to you. I'm meteorologist Craig Flint. Let's get you up to date with the forecast. So here's the deal. We're watching this line of showers and storms west, but it is slowly weakening here. 72 now, 60 on the dew point. So we're noticing that number creep up. And it all is because of that east-southeast wind, which is also filling in. So we're going to have a few thunderstorms roll through. I think temperatures low, mid-60s. I'm not really all that concerned with severe weather anymore, but a few could have some gusty wind. And then tomorrow, a few more scattered showers and storms. It turns breezy in the afternoon. Not as warm with a high of 77. So here's a look at radar, and you can see as you make your way into the Finger Lakes, Syracuse, Rochester, along the thruway, there are some gusty storms in here, but they are fairly, well, they're weakening. But again, a few of these darker, what you see here on radar, these darker reds and oranges, could be some gusty wind inside those. But overall, I think the severe weather threat is lowering. Nasty, what we call bow echo, moving through central Pennsylvania right now, Williamsport to State College. Some wind damage down there, and then it kind of evolves into a steadier rain as you move to the west. So technically speaking, we still have this severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect technically until 3 a.m., but I think it's probably going to be discontinued because we are noticing that weakening trend, and you can see that it has already been chopped to the west. So, yeah, there could be a gusty storm, but overall the severe weather threat's lowering. 71 now in Utica. Marcy and Rome checking in at 70. Upper 60s to near 70. Herkimer to Little Falls. Springfield 68. 70 right now Cooperstown to Hartwick. Sherburne is at 70. And in the low 60s across the Adirondacks, Old Forge mid-60s, West Turin at 67. Wider perspective on satellite radar. Again, this little cluster rolling on through, then not much behind it. We get into the day tomorrow. There will be a few more showers and thunderstorms that develop, but again, nothing to really write home about. I suppose there could be one or two storms that have some gusty wind, some heavy rain. It's still kind of humid Friday, but the humidity levels will drop as we clear the sky out. So again, a few showers around Friday, but then we clear the sky out as we go into the weekend, and I think the weekend shaping up to be pretty good around here with temperatures in the mid-70s, fresher air, breezy at times, nothing worse than a brief sprinkle Saturday in the morning, sunshine, not too humid on Sunday, and it's been a while. The last completely rain-free dry weekend we had all the way back to June 3rd and 4th. There's your 7-day forecast. So scattered thunder showers tomorrow, sky clear Saturday, beautiful weather, warm but not too humid Sunday. We do start to crank the heat though by next week. Maybe a late storm Monday, a couple isolated storms around Tuesday, and then 90 or above by the time we get into mid next week. That is like classic summer right there for you. We got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News continues right after this.